Hi guys, here is a tutorial on how to cut this trendy asymmetric neckline. So I'll be using a miniature for this tutorial. First of all, you draft out your back bodice, just as you've seen in this video. You draft out your back bodice with your zipper allowance, because you know that the back bodice, you're going to use the neck width, of the back bodice to determine your front bodice. So because I'm using a miniature, you will not know the actual neck width and neck depth I'm going to use, but you can use 3 for the width, and you can use maybe 3 or 2 inches depth you want to use. So you're going to trace out your back bodice, trace it out, cut it out. Then you also cut out a front bodice without touching the neckline, just like this. So you're just going to draft out your armhole, your bust, your waist. Do not cut out the neckline. So I'm going to place the back bodice, because I've cut out the neckline for the back bodice. So you place the front bodice on the back bodice like this and you're going to begin to trace the shape of this begin to trace out the shape you want. For some people, they would want to make their asymmetric neckline deeper, so it depends on what you want. You can make yours higher, you can make yours deeper. So you're going to trace out following the exact neck width of your back bodice. So I'm just determining where I want the curve to stop, where I want the curve to go. So from there, you trace it to that point, trace it to this point, and you take it back to the other end of your neck width. You can make yours deeper, you can make yours wider. This all depends on you. This is a freehand drafting, so it depends on you. So I was not comfortable with how it is, so I made a curve. I made it more curvy or curvier at the other end. Look at how it is. Then trace it out. Remember, if you're going to be cutting this on a proper pattern paper, you're going to be adding your allowance before cutting. So once you place it on your fabric, you cut it. So I'm just cutting like this. So you need to note that when you draft out your front bodice for this neckline, you're not cutting out the neckline, because there is going to be a lot of drawing on that. So this is how it turned out to be. This is our front bodice. Sorry about the camera. This is our front bodice. You can make yours wider, you can make yours higher, deeper, anyhow. Then you just join the neckline like this. I just hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.